In this video, I'm going to tell you how to turn off automated assets on your Google Ads account that are actually eating your budget and giving you irrelevant clicks. And because of this, you are wasting money. And in order to gain control, what you have to do is move on to your account over here. For instance, this is one of an account I'm trying to open. Now over here, search for automated assets over here, and you may see over here there's an account level automated settings over here. Simply move on to this one, and you may see over here that this account does not have any assets over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to asset settings over here to see over here, and now you may see over here that once I have moved over here, you can see over here that the dynamic sitelinks are automatically enabled over here, without my permission over here. So I can even save over here, or I can select manually over here, and I can tell them another reason I don't like. I can write over here, and you may see over here that now with this I have disabled now. So longer headlines, automated apps, everything which has automatically being enabled by Google, and I do not want these automated assets to be enabled, I can simply disable over here, and I can write my own reason, and as you can write my choice over here, and you can automatically disable it. So in order to turn off automated assets, you can follow this tutorial. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.